Morning children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your activity book. Open your activity book, page number 22. Open your activity book, page number 22. Ma, here this activity book. This has to done by the student. Means this is a homework now. Activity book is the homework. You must complete this. Okay. Here the kids are planting trees to save the earth. Make the picture colorful. You have to color this picture. What is your work? You have to color the picture. Next, listen to the conversation among the animals in a zoo. Here, the conversation is there. You must match to them. Which are, can I take off my coat? What is it? Here, what did the lion say? The lion said, could someone bring a deer for me, please? Could you bring? That is the possibility, ability, permission, advice or request. You have to match to that. Next, what did the bear say? I may find some honey here. I may find. It is said by the bear. Is that possibility, ability, permission, advice or request? Must match. I must take the help of the course book to do this. When we have to, already explain you. When we have to use can, when we have to use may, when we have to use should. I explain you this. But conformly, if you are confident, you have to use should. I said. I explain you. You must take the help of the course book and complete this. And next. Here also, modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. Just what are the modal verbs? Can, may, will, and also shall. Some of modal verbs are there. Take the help of the course book. What are the modal verbs? Already explained you. But do this, you must take the help of course book. What are the modal verbs? Find out in the course book. And what are the auxiliary verbs? Have, am, is, or, was, were, do, does, have, has, had. These are the auxiliary verbs. For the modal verbs, you must circle. For auxiliary verbs, you must underline. Underline the auxiliary verbs. Circle the modal verbs. Okay. Next. Here, cool drink. Amma, look at the symbols below. Write what each symbols means using orange, can't, must not, shouldn't. You must use these modal negative verbs. Here, don't drink. You shouldn't drink. You shouldn't drink cold drinks. And don't go. You must use the orange, can't, mustn't, shouldn't. By using them, make some sentences by following the pictures. Understand me? By following the pictures, you must use aren't, shouldn't, can't and also mustn't. You have to form the sentences, negative sentences about the pictures. And symbol for school, symbol for home. And also you must draw some symbols about school and also about home. Okay. Our activity book is completed. Now take your course book. Take your course book. I am going to teach a new lesson. What's a new lesson? Anita and her teddy. Sorry, Ankita. Ankita and her teddy. What's the new lesson? Ankita. Ankita and her teddy. Ankita is the girl name. Teddy. Teddy means teddy bear. Okay? A story is about Ankita and also teddy. Have you ever seen a bear? Do you think it is a dangerous animal? Have you seen? Have you seen a bear? Bear direct గా చూసారా? Did you see the bear directly? Did you see that? No, no? You didn't see, no? Is it a dangerous animal? Is deer is a dangerous animal or not? చెప్పండి. Deer dangerous animal ఏనా? Yes, it is a dangerous animal. It is really, it may kill us. Some of the stories are there about bear. Like tiger, lion, it is all leopard, cheetah, like that. It is also one of the wild animal. It can kill us. It is a dangerous animal only. What is a dangerous animal? Bear. Bear is a dangerous animal. Where it will live? It lives in the forest because it is a wild animal. No? All the wild animals live in the forest. It is also wild animal, so it lived in the forest. What is the difference between a bear and teddy bear? What is the difference between bear and also teddy bear? Hey, it's story time, and let us read the lovely story of a girl and her teddy bear. As a girl, Ankita also loved soft toys and she had a favorite teddy bear. Do you know the difference between? What is the difference between bear and also teddy bear? Bear is a living thing. Bear is a living thing. Teddy bear is a toy bear. Soft toy bear. మనము చిన్నపిల్లలు టెడ్డీ బేర్ కొనుక్కొచ్చుకొని ఆడుకుంటారు కదా. టాయ్ మీన్స్ బొమ్మ. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? బియర్ ఈజ్ ఏ లివింగ్ రియల్ బియర్. Bear is a living thing. It lives in the forest. Bear lives in the forest. But teddy bear is a toy bear. Teddy bear is a toy bear. Some of the children, all the children love to buy teddy bears. They may play with the teddy bears because it is a toy. It is a non-living thing. Teddy bear is a non-living thing. It is a toy. Teddy bear is a toy. Bear is a living thing. It's one of the animal. One of the living animal. It lives in the forest. Okay? Now, here is a story. It's story time. Here is a story for you about Ankita and also her teddy bear. Here is a story for you. What is the story about? The story is about Ankita and also her teddy bear. Teddy bear means toy bear. It is not an animal. It is not a living thing. Understand? It is not a living thing. Teddy bears are not the living things. They are the non-living things. Teddy bears are the non-living things. Okay? Ankita also loved. Actually, Nana, most of the children love the toy bears, love the teddy bears. whenever they went to the fair. Whenever they went to the fair. Fair అంటే జాతర. ఏదైనా జాతరకి వెళ్ళారనుకో అక్కడ బొమ్మలు పెడతారు కదా, బొమ్మలు పెడతారు కదా. Then most of the children wants to buy the teddy bear. Understand me? Most of the children wants to buy teddy bear. They love to buy. Teddy bear is very smooth. It has soft fur. They love to play with that. They love to play with that. That's what they buy the teddy bears at the fair. Like Ankita also. Like that, Ankita also bought a teddy bear. Ankita also loved teddy bears. Ankita also loved teddy bears. She loved them. That's what she too bought a teddy bear from the fair. Okay, now here is a story for you about Ankita and also teddy bear. A male bear is called a bear. Male bear. He bear is called a bear. B-O-A-R. Bear. Male bear is called a bear, and a female bear is called a sow. Female bear. Male bear. Male bear is called a bear. B-O-A-R. Bear. It's male bear. Or he bear. We can say he bear also. Male bear is called a bear or a he bear, and female bear is called a sow. Female bear is called a sow or she bear. Female bear is called a sow. Male bear is called a bear. Masha and the bear. One program is there, no? The cartoon network. A group of bears is called a sleuth or sloth. A group of bears, it's a collective noun. Group of bears is called a sleuth. S-L-E-U-T-H. Sleuth or sloth. Group of bears is called a sleuth or sloth. Okay? Now come to the lesson. Ankita woke up on Sunday morning. She was happy that she had no work. She had no homework to do. She wanted to play with her mom, but her mom was making lunch. She wanted to play with her dad, but her dad was watching television. She was bored and sad. She took out her teddy bear and started playing with him. That is a Sunday. That is a Sunday. That is a Sunday. Actually, on Sunday, most of the children will woke up late because today is a Sunday. There is no school. Understand me? Most of the children will wake up late. Actually, every day you will wake up at 7 o'clock, no? Because before 9 you have to reach to school. Before 9 you have to attend to the school. That's what you woke up early in the morning. Every day. You woke up early in the morning every day. But on Sunday you will wake up late, no? Because that is a Sunday. It's a holiday. It is a holiday. It means there is no school to you. Like that. But on that day, Ankita did not wake up late. She woke up as usually. She woke up early in the morning only. Okay? She woke up early in the morning And also she was very happy. And Sunday she was very happy because she don't have any homework. She don't have the homework to do. And she has finished on Saturday only. Understand me? Today Ankita was very very happy because she don't have the homework. She don't have the homework to do. She don't have the homework to do. That's what she is very very happy. She wants to play with her mom. She don't have the homework now. That's what she went to her mother. But her mother was very busy. She's preparing lunch. Understand? She don't have the homework. She doesn't have the homework now. That's what she want to play. She want to play with her mother. She went to her mother. But her mother was very busy. She's very busy in preparing lunch. Then she came to her father. Her father is also very busy because he is watching TV. Regularly he has the office. His father will go to office. He don't have the time to watch TV. Understand? Every day, as usually, every day, his father goes to office. He doesn't have the time now to watch TV. That's what today he is watching TV. Ankita don't want to disturb her father. He's watching TV now. Ankita doesn't want to disturb her father. That's what she had a teddy bear now. She has a teddy bear. Her favorite bear is there now. That's what she has taken her teddy bear and started playing with her teddy bear. Okay, she's playing with the teddy bear. Bears have excellent sense of smell, sight and hearing. They can smell food, cups, a mate or predators from miles away. Their great eyesight allows them to detect when fruits are ripe. Actually, Nana, bears has an excellent sense power. Their sense organs are very active. Bears' sense organs are too active. They have the excellent sense of smell and sight. They have the excellent sense of smell. They have the excellent smelling and also seeing. Sight means seeing. They are able to see. They are able to see their cubs. Cubs ante dan pillalu. Bears wala pillalu. Cub. Okay? They are able to understand they are able to see their cubs. And also their mate means their friends. And also predators. Predators means those who are enemies to her. They are able to identify them for a long distance. From a miles away. If they are somewhere, there is a much distance between bear and also the tiger. There is a much distance. 2 miles means 2 kilometers long away. A tiger is there. The distance between bear and also tiger is 2 kilometers. Then also the bear is able to smell the tiger and can see the tiger. It is having the excellent power. They are able to understand. They have the excellent power. Then it knows, the bear knows some of the dangerous one, dangerous animal is there. It can identify and it can escape. Understand? And it can understand their friends also. Identify and detect. It can detect the fruits ripe. Like that, they have the excellent smell power and also sight power. Okay. While playing with Teddy, Anki recalled what she had once read about bears. Bears grieve deeply for others. Cubs are known to mourn or cry when separate from their mothers. This can go on for weeks if their mothers are killed by hunters. Thank God, I have never been in the wild with a bear. Look at my Teddy. He's so cute. She thought her thoughts were suddenly disturbed when he heard Teddy talking to her. While she's playing. Now what is Ankita doing? What is Ankita doing? Ankita is playing with her teddy bear. Ankita is playing with her teddy bear. And she is recalling about the teddy bear. Sorry, about the bears. About the bear. She read the news. She read some information about the bears in the newspaper. She read once upon a time. She read the information. The information about the bear in the newspaper. What is that means? Actually, the bears are having excellent sight and also smell. Excellent sense of sight and also smell. Not only that, but also the cubs. The cubs means babies of bear. Babies of bears are called cubs. Cubs ante evaru? Baby bears. Baby bear name anale cubs. And also she knows the matter about cubs, that is, cubs may cry. Mourn means often they are continued crying. They mourn or cry. Mourn means mulgadam. నార్మల్గా చిన్న పిల్లలు ఏం చేస్తారు, వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ ఏదైనా అడిగింది ఇవ్వకుంటే ఏడుస్తున్నారు. అది ఏడవడం తెలియదు, ములుగడం తెలియదు, ములుగుతూ ఉంటారు. ఒకసారి సౌండ్ పెంచుతారు, ఒకసారి సౌండ్ తగ్గించుకుంటారు. Like that, the cubs may do. When the cubs may do like that? When the cubs are separated from their mothers. Understand? The children also like that. No, you too like that. మమ్మీని నీకు దూరంగా పెట్టామనుకో, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? మీరు కూడా ఏడుస్తారు కదా. Like that, they too continue their crying when they are separated from the bear. When they are separated from their mother. And their crying may prolong up to 1-2 weeks also. They may cry. The cubs may cry from 1 to 2 weeks. When their mothers were killed by the hunters. When they missed their mother. When the cubs missed their mother. Understand me? When the cubs missed their mother, they continued their crying. Understand me? They continued their crying. By recalling those sentences, by recalling that, అది గుర్తు చేసుకుంటుంది. ఎవరు? అంకిత. చదివిన మ్యాటర్ చదివింది కదా పేపర్లో. ఇదంతా గుర్తు చేసుకుంటూ తను అనుకుంటుంది. షీఈస్ థింకింగ్, థ్యాంక్ గాడ్, ఓ మై గాడ్, ఐఎమ్ సేఫ్ because I'm not having like the wild bear. I'm not having that wild bear. I have the teddy bear. It is so cute and so sweet. It won't cry. It won't make any noise. No. If I have a pet of bear or a cub, అంకిత ఒక కబ్ని పెంచుకుందనుకో, అది ఎప్పుడు ఏడుస్తూనే ఉండేది కదా. అది లేదు, నాకు ఆ కబ్ లేదు, నేనేం పెంచుకుంటున్నాను? మంచి టెడ్డీ బేర్ పెంచుకున్నాను. ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రై, నో. ద టెడ్డీ బియర్ వోంట్ క్రై బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ టెడ్డీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ టాయ్. ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రై. ఇట్ ఈస్ సో క్యూట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ స్మూత్ ఫర్. It is same like bear. My teddy bear is same alike. My teddy bear is alike a bear only, but it won't make noise. It won't cry like the real bears. So I am so happy. He is thinking like that. When he is thinking like that, was shocked, was surprised when the hear Teddy talking to her. She is thinking about the real bears. She is thinking about the real bears గురించి ఆలోచిస్తుంది. ఆ టైంలో suddenly it was disturbed. Her thinking, her thoughts were disturbed because disturbed by when the teddy bear talked to her. Actually the teddy bears won't talk, no. The teddy bear won't talk. Teddy bear మాట్లాడదు కదా. But shock to her surprise. To her surprise, it was talking. Her teddy bear was started to talk. Ankita was shocked, surprised. Next we will see. Anki, why are you grumpy? Teddy asked. Because no one is playing with me, she said sadly. I have an idea. Let us go to the wonderland, said Teddy. Ankita was excited and so both of them went to the wonderland. Okay, here the bear talked. Bear spoke to Ankita. Bear spoke to Ankita. ఏమని మాట్లాడింది అది? Anki, why are you grumpy? Grumpy means sad. Grumpy. Grumpy means sad, worry. Anki, why are you so sad? You are looking so sad. What happened? Who asked this question? Teddy bear. Actually teddy bears won't talk, no, but it talked. It's a magic. Okay, then the teddy bear asked, Anki, why are you so sad? The Ankita said. Anki means the short form of Ankita. The short form of Ankita is Anki. I'm so sad today, my dear teddy bear. Today I'm so sad. Why I'm so sad? Because today is Sunday. Nobody are playing with me. I'm getting bored. My father and also my mom both are very busy in their works. Both are very busy, no? I am very sad. I am alone. I am getting bored. like that Ankita said. Okay, then the Teddy said, okay, let's we go to the Wonderland. Let's go to the Wonderland. Teddy bear asked to Ankita. Ankita, whenever he heard about Wonderland, Ankita to వెళ్దాం అనేసరికి టెడ్డీ బేర్ Ankita చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయింది. She was excited to see how the Wonderland. Okay, let's go. Ankita said. Now both Ankita and also Teddy both are going to the Wonderland. Okay, next we will see. There was a long road stretching forever. On both sides of road were a few fields with brown colored fruits. Anki stopped and tasted one. It tasted like chocolate, but Teddy was angry. Anki should not taste everything to see in the Wonderland, Teddy scolded. Now both are going in the Wonderland. It is a beautiful place. Wonderland is a beautiful place. On the path, while they were going on the path, besides some of the fields are there, some fruits are there, some orchard trees. Ante pandla chetlu unnai. Some of the fruits are there. Whenever Ankita saw the fruits, she wanted. They are looking brown colored. The fruits are in brown color. Brown color fruits unnai. Whenever Ankita saw the fruits, she wanted to taste them. She ran to the fruits. She ran to the tree and plucked one and tasted the fruit. The taste of fruit is like chocolate. It is having the chocolate taste. The fruit is having chocolate taste. Chocolate taste lo undi. Okay, then the teddy bear scolded, Ankita, Anki, don't go anywhere, and also you don't taste anyone. It is dangerous to you. Understand me? It is scolding. Who is scolding? Teddy bear is scolding. Ankita, don't go anywhere. You must come along with me and don't taste anything. It is dangerous to you. Like that the teddy bear said. Let me keep talking to you and tell you about the real bears so that you will be vigilant. If you find some species of Asiatic bears, build a nest in the trees. They can use these for hiding, eating and even sleeping. So be careful and look up the trees too, for you can expect a sudden attack by a bear. It can be dangerous. Their bite is fatal. Fatal means poisonous, Nana. Because their mouth has lot of bacteria which can cause rotting of your flesh if bitten. Why it is scolded? Do you know why the teddy bear scolded? It scolded Ankita not to taste anyone, not to go anywhere, not to go to the trees, near to the trees. Trees ki దగ్గరగా వెళ్ళమని చెప్తుంది. Don't go anywhere. You must come along with me. Teddy bear said like that. Why? And also saying, Ankita, you must listen to me. Talk to me. You must listen my word. I want to say about some species of bears. అంటే కొన్ని రకాలైన బియర్స్ గురించి చెప్తాను నేను. Some Asiatic bears build their nest on the trees also. Understand me? Some of the Asiatic bears build their nest in the trees, on the branches of trees. చెట్ల కొమ్మలు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ చెట్ల కొమ్మల పైన కూడా ఇల్లు కట్టుకుంటాయి కదా. Some bears build their nest like that. If you go, why they are building the nest? For hiding from the other animals. Other animals నుండి వాళ్ళు సేవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి కట్టుకుంటాయి. And for eating, even sleeping. తన ఫుడ్ తెచ్చుకున్నది హ్యాపీగా తినడానికి ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని ఉంటాయి. And also for sleeping. Some Asiatic bears will build their nest on the branches of the trees for hiding, eating and sleeping. If you go near to the trees, suddenly they may fall on you. Understand? That's what it is holding. If you go near to the trees, suddenly they may jump from the trees. It is dangerous to you. It is dangerous to you because if they bite, if the bears may bite, it is fatal. Fatal means poison. You are going to die. You may die because they have some bacteria. Some Asian bears have bacteria in their nose. వాళ్ళ నోట్లో బ్యాక్టీరియా ఉంటుందండి. If they bite, the poison may spread all over your body. Understand? మన పాము ఉందిరా, స్నేక్ ఉంది, స్నేక్ నోట్లో స్నేక్ కూడా కలిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? పాయిజన్ మన బాడీలోకి మొత్తం వెళ్ళింది అనుకో, మనం చచ్చిపోతాం. అవునా? Same like that, some bears have the bacteria in their mouth. If they bite, the fatal may spread through all over your body. Okay? Then you may die. So it is too dangerous to you. You must come along with me. Don't go anywhere. Okay? Like that the bear said. Today's class is completed. Bye.